I've uncovered a burgeoning TikTok trend with untapped potential that is poised to soar in popularity in 2024. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the process of crafting conspiracy theory videos in a straightforward manner. The TikTok Creativity Program beta emerges as a lucrative opportunity in 2024, exclusively accessible to residents of the US, UK, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, or Korea. To qualify, you must be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and amass at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Although it may seem daunting, consistent uploads can expedite your fulfillment of these criteria. First, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Now turn to ChatGPT for a concise 60-second script that will captivate your audience. Following that, visit 11labs.io for a realistic voiceover using the script. Now, generate compelling images for your video. Consult ChatGPT for prompts to use with Leonardo.ai or Ideogram, ensuring you comprehend how to arrange the images. Copy the prompts. Visit Leonardo.ai or Ideogram. I will use Ideogram. Choose 3D render, cinematic, or another option. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate images for all provided prompts. Once the images are created, utilize any video editing software like CapCut to arrange them on the timeline. Integrate the voiceover from 11 Labs, synchronize the images with the narrative, and introduce animations for an extra layer of interest.
Here we go!
Choose a suitable caption template using the Auto Captions tool. Editing for clarity and brightness to enhance viewer retention. We have done on producing your inaugural video. Thanks for tuning in, and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this.